Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Shipping. We can move to the instruction file. So assignment title is EXP22 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Shipping. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. So we can move to the question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Shipping. XLS grader has automatically your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. So I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the week worksheet contains the data for the week of August 5. Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the week worksheet, and in a cell D7 insert the appreciate date function to calculate the number of days between the date arrived and date order. Copy the function range DA to D35. Insert the date function. Go to the Excel worksheet and in cell is D7. Go to the cell is D7 and type is equal to type the days function, and days function is a date drive comma date order close bracket, press enter button, and copy the function to the range DA to D35. Copy the function DA to D35. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is you want to display the weekday for the arrival dates. In a cell E7, insert the weekday function to identify an integer representing the weekday of the date arrived, and copy the function to the range EA to E35. In a cell E7, select the cell is E7, in the cell E7, insert the weekday function. Type is equal to and type the weekday function. So weekday function identify the integer representing the date arrived. So date arrived column and click OK, and copy the function EA to E35. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the next question, is question number 4. So the question number 4 is you need to format the weekday function result with the custom number format and select the ranges Ch07 to E35. Apply the custom number format and apply the center horizontally alignment. Copy the range E7 to E35 and paste the range. Selected the ranges and apply the custom number format. Copy the custom number format, go to the home tab and go to the number group and click the custom number format, apply the click OK. So apply the custom number format and apply the center horizontally alignment. Go to the home tab and go to the alignment group, click center. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So the question number 5 is next you want to display the city name, the code spot with the city or port codes. In a cell G7, insert the switch function to evaluate the port code. In a cell F7, include the mix and reference to the city name in the range G2 to G4. Use the port code to text the value argument Austrian and $force, worth and Houston. Copy the function to the range G8 to G35. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell as G7. Select the cell G7 and insert the switch function. Type is equal to and type the switch function and apply the F7 airport code, apply a comma and inverted commas and type the Austrian. Type Austrian and inverted commas, comma and city name in the range G2 to G4. Select the cell as G2. Order total 3 is G2 Austrian. Apply the absolute cell reference, comma and apply the $Fort Worth. Comma and select the cell as G3. Apply the absolute cell reference, apply the inverted commas and Austrian and apply the Houston and a comma and select the cell as Houston G4. Apply the absolute cell reference, close bracket, press enter button. So result is Austrian and copy the function to the range G8 to G35. Copy the function G8 to G35. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the next question, is question number 6. So question number 6 is now you want to display the standard shipping cost by city. In a cell I7, insert the X function to identify the shipping cost based on the airport code and the applicable shipping rates in the range H2 to H4. Enter the report code. This is a sequence Austrian and Dallas Fort Worth and Houston. Use the relative mix references correctly and insert the ACE function in the cell I7. Go to the I7 and insert the function is ACE function. Type is equal to and type the ACE function and selected cell is G7. Type is equal to and inverted commas type the Austrian and inverted commas comma and the order total Austrian by the H2 to H4 absolute reference comma G7 is equal to and inverted commas type the Dallas Fort Worth apply the inverted commas like comma and the cell is H3 apply the absolute reference comma and select the cell is G7 type is equal to and this sequence is a applicable shipping rates in the range H2 to H4 shipping cost based code and apply the Houston apply the inverted commas comma and select the cell is H4 apply the absolute reference close bracket press enter button so the result is 24. Copy the function to I8 to I35. Copy the function I8 to I35. So question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is finally you want to calculate the partial shipping refund if a condition are met. In a cell J7 enter a function with the nested function determine the shipping refund. The AND function should ensure that both conditions are met. Total day is greater than total day delivery goal. In a cell C3 order total is equal to or greater than total. In a cell C2 if the both conditions are met refund the 50%. In a cell C4 shipping cost. Otherwise the refund is zero. Use the mixed reference as needed and copy the function in the range J8 to J35. Insert the A function in a cell J7. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is J7. J7 and insert the if function. If and nested function. Type is equal to and type the if function. Open the if function dialog box and logical test is the type a and function. Close bracket and the AND function should ensure that both conditions are met. Total days are greater than in a total deliveries goal in the cell C3. Type and select the D7 total day. greater than C3 is total date delivery goal. Apply the absolute size reference, a comma, and apply the H7 order total. Right, but greater than, and type is equal to C2 order total. There holds, apply the absolute size reference, close bracket, and value if true is a, if the both condition are total days delivery goal in the cell C3, and the if the both condition refund is the 50%, otherwise the refund is $0. Value if true is the shipping cost multiplied by shipping refund rate through reference, and value if false is a 0. Click OK. So the result is a shipping refund is 0. And copy the function to the range JA to J35. Copy the value JA to J35. So question number 8 is a complete. 7 is complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is the state worksheet contains a similar data. Now you want to enter some statistics in a cell B2. Insert the counter function that the count the number of shipment for Austin in cell B1. Use the shade makes a reference to the range argument to keep the column letter the same. Insert the counter function in the cell B2. Go to the Excel worksheet and the selected cell is state worksheet. Go to the state worksheet and apply the insert the counter function in cell B2. Select the cell is B2, insert the counter function, type is equal to, and type the counter function. Open the counter function box and count the number of shipment for Austrian cell B1 and makes a reference to the range argument. Keep the total letter of the same. So range is a airport code, apply the absolute size reference, press F4 button, and criteria range is a B1 Austrian. Click OK and copy the function to the range C2 to D2. Copy the function B2 to D2. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So the question number 9 is in a cell B3, insert the sum function to calculation the total order for Austrian cell B3. Use the shade makes a reference to the range argument to keep the column letter the same. Copy the function to the range C3 to D3. In a cell B3, selected cell is B3 and insert the sum if function. Calculate the total order Austrian cell B1 and absolute Apply the absolute cell reference in the range argument. Keep the column letter the same. Insert the cell B3 is the sum if function. Type is equal to and type the sum if function. Sum if function. Open the sum if function and range is C12 to C40. Airport code column and range is C12 to C40. Apply the absolute cell reference and criteria is a order for a Austin cell B1. Apply the B1 and sum range is a D12 to order total D12 to D40. And apply the absolute cell reference. Click OK. And copy the function to the range C3 to D3. C3 to D3. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is in a cell B4 insert the average function to calculate the average number of days for a shipment for Austrian. In a cell B1 use the makes a reference to the range argument, keep the column letter in the same. In a cell B4 and insert the average function. And select the cell is B4 and insert the average function. Type is equal to and type the average function. Open the average function box and calculate the average number of days for a shipment from Austin cell B1 and range is a C12 to C14. Airport column C12 to C14. Apply the absolute cell reference and criteria is a cell P1. Average range is a B12 to shipment from Austrian. Total days and the total days and apply the F4 button, absolute cell reference. Click OK and copy the function to the range C4 to D4. Copy the function C4 to D4. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is now you want to focus on a shipment from Houston where the order was greater than $1,000 and in a cell C7 insert the count function to count the number of order where the report code IEH cell D1 and order total greater than $1,000. Insert the count function in cell C7. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is C7 and insert the function is count function. The count the number order is airport code. Type is equal to and type the countifs function. Open the countif function and criteria range is airport code and criteria 1 is a criteria 1 cell is D1. So, D1, and criteria range 2 is a order total G12 to D14. Criteria 2 is a the order total is a greater than 1000. Criteria 2 is a greater than 1000 plus the inverted commas, and greater than 1000 1000 plus the inverted commas. Click OK. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is in the cell C8 insert the summary function to calculate the total order where the report code is IH cell D1 and order total is greater than 1000. Insert the summary function in the cell C8. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is C8 and type the summary function. Insert the summary function. Type is equal to and type the summary function. Open the sum is function and sum range is calculate the total order report code and the order total greater than 1000. Sum range is order total and criteria range is the Austrian code, report code. And criteria 1 is the cell D1. And criteria 1 range is D1 at the absolute cell reference. And criteria range 2 is the order total. And criteria range 2 is the order total is greater than 1000. Plus the inverted commas greater than or 1000 plus the inverted commas. Click OK. Question number 12 is complete. We can move to the question number 13. So the question number 13 is in a cell C9 insert the maxif function to return the highest order total where a report code is IH cell D1 and the order total is greater than 1000. In a cell C9, select the cell is C9 and insert the function is max function. Maxif function return the highest order total where the report code in a cell D1 and then order total is greater than 1000. Highest order value type is equal to and type the maxif function. Open the maxif function and max range is a maxif function highest order total where the report codes and maxif max range is the order total D12 to D14 and criteria range 1 is the report code C12 to C14. and criteria 1 is a cell D1. Cell D1 and criteria range 2 is the order total. D12 to D14 and criteria 2 is the order total is greater than $1,000. Criteria 2 is the and type the inverted commas and greater than and type the 1000. Click OK.